Most manholes are 4 feet, but we also make 5 foot, 6 foot, and 8 foot. This structure weighs 26,600 pounds. My name is Jason Horton. I'm the Concrete Division Manager, which means I'm also in charge of the production shop. This is our new 8-foot manhole structure, which generally is used for storms. Precast concrete basically means you make something out of concrete ahead of time. So instead of casting it in the field with forms and pouring it in place in the field, you actually pour it in a shop like this and create a product beforehand. So storm structures, manhole structures, precast beams, precast planks, all sorts of different things that we make here at Elmer's. Most manholes are 4 feet. That's the general normal size, would be a 4-foot structure, but we also make 5 foot, 6 foot, and 8 foot. The reason that it's so big is if you think about a drop of water or tributaries of a river coming down, and then as they collect in a stormwater system, the pipes get bigger and bigger and bigger to carry that water. So just like a river, you have tributaries, and then a river, and then a really big river, and then a lake. The 8-foot takes a long time. I'm sure you'll show pictures of the actual form because it's a monster. It's big. It takes a lot of work. We actually have to crane bucket in the material because it's so tall. We can't get it in with a concrete mixer. So the whole reason that we do this is for our dirt crews, to support them and give them the products that they need. Our crews can place so much per day, so they have a pour schedule. Just like a structural steel building or even a house has a, you put up the walls first and then you put up the trusses. So our crews think about that ahead of time and give us a pour schedule or a placement schedule, which then dictates our pour schedule of how we're going to make the structures. So in this particular case, Jason needed 8-footers first, so we started early and made sure we get him what he needs. This structure weighs 26,600 pounds, but now we've cut some holes in it, so it will weigh a little less than that. Basically, it has a 55-inch hole in the side of it. That weighs about 3,000 pounds, so you're at 23.6 ballpark. It will last longer than the project itself in general, so you'll be doing other things to maintain the project or rebuild a building or do different things before you'd ever replace this. There's still storm structures in the city of Traverse City that are made out of brick, and they're 100 years old. Will we go over 8 foot? Probably not in the immediate future, not in the next 10 years is a guess, but you never know. We might start tomorrow too.